In this section, you are going to learn how to implement the child routes. I'll teach you what are child routes and how to configure them. So, we are going to talk about what is the definition of child route, why do we need them, and how to configure in Angular application. You can also say child routes are nested routes. Child routes is the concept of containing routes within another routes. We will have a parent route, and inside the parent route, I can define multiple child routes. Let me show you the demo of our application. Here you will see this is our dashboard layout. We have a sidebar. A user can view the products. So dashboard is a child component. This is another child route. We are going to display the products. I would like to view the details. And now you will see another child route. So if you want to build this type of complex layout, master detail view, you can build with the help of child routes or nested routes. Why do we need child routes? You can encapsulate the functionality of parent route and have that functionality applied to the child routes. It means you can define multiple child routes inside the parent route. Let's talk about another example. We have a website and it allows user to know our company. And we can say that who we are. So you can create a about route, and we also want to display the products. So now we will have two routes, about and products. So when do we use child routes? Let's say our application is growing and we would like to display the individual record of company, and we also want to display the individual record of product. We want to display product view, product edit, and product details view. Then we need a child route. So you can create a multiple nested router outlet. So how do we implement the nested route? I have created the child route. Basically, I have created the redirect here. When you run the application, it will automatically navigate to the dashboard route. Now we will have a dashboard module. I also created a dashboard routing module. You can see that we have a dashboard component. I have created the child routes. Products is the child route. And you can also define another nested routes. Similarly, you can see that we have product list, product detail, product edit. So this is how you will define the child routes. But make sure you will define multiple nested router outlet. First of all, the parent router outlet will be in the app component, and you have to define the child router outlet inside the dashboard. We also have another child routes, and then you will define the router outlet inside the product component.html file.